So regular viewers of the Retro Core Show will know that I do like my audio, and this TEAC cassette deck here is now going to be retired because in a box down here we've got a brand new Sony deck. Well, actually it's not a brand new Sony deck, it is a fully reconditioned deck. Everything's been greased up, any belts are being replaced, all TAC switches have been replaced. It's had a full recap, everything has been fully reconditioned. Apparently even the casing has been fully cleaned as well. Let's take a look. Japanese used goods. Can never go wrong with these. Okay, let's get this open. I am looking forward to seeing this. Now this is the Sony KA3ES, if I remember rightly. Alright, let's take a look in here. Oh, look at that. It's even got the manual. But that's a Japanese manual. Luckily, I've already printed out an English manual. But that was cool, it's come with the Japanese manual as well. Excellent stuff. Alright. Well packed. Zoom that back a little bit. Oops. It's like Christmas, isn't it? Okay, there's the top of the machine, and yeah, that is very clean. Now it's got a few marks up here and here, which I did know about, but that's okay, I knew about those. Okay, let's take a look around the sides. Yep, very clean. And this side, God, it's heavy. Yep, looking good. And around the back, let's take a look. Oh yeah, beautifully clean, not a mark on it. Look at that. Now about the front. Oh God, that's heavy. There it is. It's in lovely condition, isn't it? Alright, let's get this set up. Alright, so there it is, set up. It's actually very wide. Take a look at the side there. That's the CD player. And if you take a look down below that, we got the switch box down here. So the cassette disc is actually quite wide. Surprised. So I might have to rearrange that and put the cassette deck on the bottom. Alright, so I'm interested to see if this drawer is fully functional. That's metal as well, the whole thing's metal. It's really nice, okay. Oh, look at that. Lovely stuff. Alright, we'll christen it with a strange style audio cassette. This is Wham! Make it big. Alright. Strange Japanese style audio cassette. Oh yeah, very good. Alright, so it's meant to have like a next track search. So let's see if it'll do that. I forgot how long audio tapes take to find the next track. Here we go. Yep, not a problem. Okay, let's see if it'll do the next track. Getting there, I guess. Here we go. Yep. Good stuff. Alright, let's flip the tape over. I love the way it just grabs the tape, it's really cool. Oh yeah, good stuff. Next track please. So yeah, now I know there's going to be people watching this that's saying, well, it's not a Nakamichi Dragon, is it? No, it's not. But the thing is, I can't afford a Nakamichi Dragon, and you know, to be honest, for playing tapes, I probably wouldn't be able to tell anyway the difference in quality. But yeah, I'm very happy with this. So I'd like to see how it plays this tape that was recorded on the TEAC. Wonder if we can close it with our fingers. Oh yes, we can. Alright, now this was recorded with Dolby Noise Reduction C. So we'll just switch it onto C and see how it sounds. Sounds okay so far. Yeah, sounds good. Now the best thing with this deck, it actually has Dolby Noise Reduction S, which is meant to be really good. So I'm going to be looking forward to trying that one out. I know it's going to work, but let's just see if it finds the next track on a pre-recorded cassette. Should do, no reason why it shouldn't. That was quick. Here we go. Yep. Alright. And for those who don't know, this is the London Boys, who are no longer with us. They died in a car crash in the Swiss Alps a long time ago, in the 90s with the family. Bit of a bummer. Alright. So, we will be doing a video on this tape deck, seeing how well it records and so on at a later date. But you know who I've got to blame for me buying this? Tony from CassetteComeback.com or Cassette Comeback, the YouTube channel. I'll put a link in the video description down below. But yeah, his channel is the one that's really got me back into cassettes. So yeah, Tony, thanks a lot. You've made me spend 28,000 yen on a cassette deck, which is actually very cheap, come to think of it. Okay, until next time guys, we'll be back with a look at the new Pandora box. So until then, take it easy and keep on gaming. Or in this video's case, keep on listening to your music. Bye.